welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today we are going to test out some screen print confetti. So this one here is called Beetlejuice. You can definitely find tons of this over on Etsy. So I'll try to link some of this down below for you guys. So this stuff is really cool. As you guys can see here, what they have done is they've taken little bits and pieces of screen print ink and then broke it down into confetti. So as you guys can see here, it comes here with all of your directions here. You're going to press it 325 to 350 for 10 to 12 seconds. So we're going to try some of this out. You can get it in lots of different colors, from mixed colors like this one to just even basic colors like your white, black, red, and things like that. I've also made a video showing you guys how to make your own, so make sure you guys definitely check that out as well. For today's project, we're using this really cool t-shirt from Comfort Colors. They have this really awesome line out right now that looks like this. Lots of different colors to choose from. Like I said, I'll link some down below for you guys so you can find these pretty easy. I thought this would be perfect for a Halloween t-shirt, and they even have these out in sweatshirts right now. All right, so let's go ahead and start out by weeding out our design. I've got my heat press. I'm bringing down my temp right now because I had used it on a previous project. And then I'm just going to go ahead and quickly weed this out. Being able to add something like screen print confetti to your t-shirts is just going to bring your price up. So if you guys have a little shop and you are looking for some t-shirts that you guys can bring the price up a little bit, this is a great way. So this is going to be a super awesome project for you guys. Lots of different things you can do with this. I also thought about doing this same design with the white and black on this t-shirt, but I really wanted to show you guys a mixed color because this is 3 colors. We've got the green, the black, as well as that white. So I really wanted to show that today. I had ordered another one that I think had some purples and oranges in it, but it just didn't come in time. All right, so I've got my design weeded out here. As you guys can see, this is super cool. Doesn't it go great with this t-shirt? Even just this by itself with this t-shirt is amazing. So I'm really excited about this t-shirt, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and line everything up just to make sure everything looks good. And before we actually do that, let's go ahead and pull out our moisture and just smooth everything out. So let's go ahead and lay down our HTV. Now my plan for this is, I'm gonna come down around 4 fingers or so. My plan for this is I want to just do a tack down for just a few seconds because we're going to apply all that extra heat in time with our screen print sprinkles, okay? Confetti, if you will. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a tack down for like 2 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I've got it at 325. Normally it's at 320, but since today I'm using this confetti, I'm actually going to go ahead, and it's okay because I'm only going for a few seconds here. We're going to go ahead and take that off just like so. All right, so I'm actually brought my t-shirt down just a little bit here. I want to make sure just my neckline is above that. That way I have enough room because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some here and there, and I may have to move my shirt over a little bit, but I think this will be okay. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle some in here in this area. So I've got my little thing ready, and as you guys can see, it's got a little sprinkle top, and if that doesn't work, you can definitely just open it up here, and we can just kind of hand sprinkle that if we want to. So let's go and try it this way really quick. So we're just going to go ahead and lay some out here, and I mean, how fun is this, right? I'm just going around my t-shirt, kind of lightly sprinkling this where all I want it to go, and it's okay if it gets on my HTV. I'm completely fine with that. So you can put as little or as much as you want, and I think that looks good. Now keep in mind, if you want some out here, you can just repress those areas as you need to. You can use your bigger Cricut press pad and then do it in 2 sections like so. So I'm happy with this. I think this looks great. So let's go ahead and get ready to press it. What we're gonna need to do, and we're gonna have to do it in a couple different presses, is I'm gonna take some of this parchment paper. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add one more because we just want to make sure that everything is covered. We don't want this stuff to get on the underside of our heat press or our Cricut Easy Press. So we're at 325 for 10 seconds, and you want to have some nice heavy to medium firm pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and start up here at the top and press this side first. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit go and hold it down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and carefully move over, and we're going to press again, and we're going to go ahead and do this 4 times. All right, so I think I have everything covered. I'm going to go ahead and get that out of our way. And now we're just going to go ahead and remove our parchment paper. Now, some of these little pieces may stick to that, and that's okay. And if we feel like we need to press again, we can definitely do that. So like I said, some pieces may stick, Some may come up, but everything else feels nice and smooth. Let's say, for example, I want to kind of get out here a little bit, and I'm going to kind of do that on both of them. So if I want to get over here just a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and get me some more sprinkled out here, just like so. We're going to add on our parchment paper once again. I'm going to press again for 325 for 10 seconds, giving some nice medium to firm pressure. Looks good. We'll go ahead and pick that up. And we're going to peel away. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing so you guys can see I'm kind of spreading it out a little bit. I'm going to do that same thing to the other side. And there you guys have it. I am super obsessed with this. This looks really awesome. And like I said, this is just screen print that has become confetti. So whenever you press it, those inks are going to melt down in a t-shirt, just like they would if you were using screen print. Now, once again, if you guys want to learn how to make your own DIY confetti screen print, definitely check that video out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.